I am Magis the Discoverer. Today, we are going to discover on how to make DIY mountain. Shoo! Let's do it, guys! Now, it's time to put the glue. Now, it's time to put the paper. Let's paint our mountain.
A few moments later.
Hi guys, we're almost done.
One eternity later.
Yes guys, we did it! You can make this at home. You can totally make it. It's really easy. In the next video, something's about to happen to this very mountain. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!